where Iran now last evening launched barrage of ballistic missiles at Israel. Missile attack that forced Israelis to take shelter in bunkers as Israel's Iron Dome was seen intercepting incoming missiles mid-air. IDF, which is the Israeli Defense Forces, has claimed that nearly 180 of those missiles that were fired by Iran into Israeli territory. As the Iranian forces say that missiles targeted Israel's military bases, Israel meanwhile has warned Iran that the attack will have consequences. Even when it comes to President Joe Biden, who has ordered deployment of US Army in the Middle East, let's quickly explain the pictures that have been coming in from last evening. Ever since this escalation has now begun on part of Iran, Israel has now issued a warning saying that there would be consequences and Iran would have to pay for the actions. As you can see, multiple videos that have been doing the rounds, there have been hundreds of ballistic missiles, a warning and alert that was already sounded when it comes to the United States to Israel that there is a possibility that there could be a counter from Iran's side, and this is exactly what happened when it comes to the turn of event. Let's in the meantime play out in